Hello, welcome to my channel friends. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your C drive in Windows 10. So this is a 7 step I'm going to show you how to do all these things step by step. Don't stop the videos to watch the full videos. Your video your computer will be run very effective, very properly way when you watch these videos. So very important things this is. First thing is temp. How to remove temporary files from your computers. Go to start buttons, right click here and there is a run. Click on this, shift percentage, type your temp, again percentage and put enter button. See, there is so many temporary files, you have to delete all these things from your. Press Ctrl A, it will select all, then right click on it, then press delete button. So many files is there in temporary files, so delete it or everything whatever is there. Okay, whatever is remain, let it be, don't delete. Now cancel this, close. Now go to the second option, that is prefetch. Okay, so the second options, go to right click here, click run, type here prefetch, press enter. It is asking permission, click on it, again Ctrl A, right click and then delete it, then skip whatever is it is not deleting or cancel it and close the folder. Third is there recycle bin. Okay, we delete from the all the computers every files, everything will comes in the recycle bin. So there is so many things in the recycle bin. It will clean your C drive so much. So click on it, right click on it, and here is empty recycle bin, it is written here, and click delete all. See, there is a 1 point so many GB is there in the recycle bin, so delete it from there. Now go to uninstall. Now unwanted software which you don't want, go to control panel, programs and features. From here, whichever you don't want to use that software over here, unnecessary, remove that software. Anyhow, see, I have removed each and everything which is useful for me, that only I have kept, otherwise I am removing all the things from here. I don't want to these things because it runs behind your computer and slows down your computer and laptop. So I have removed each and everything, and each thing is useful for me, that's why I have kept here. Okay, I have shown you how to remove the software, that I will give you in the link. I have also made one video how to install unwanted softwares from your computer laptops. And now optimization, go optimizations, go to C drive, my computer, right click on it, go to properties, here is tools is given, optimizations, optimize your C drive. Okay, click on the optimizations, C drive is there, 27% is analyzed, it is running up to found optimizations, 70 Now it is defragmenting. Wait till the 100% is done. This will speed up your computer more effective, and you can work accordingly very fast way. Let it finish for the 100%. I have done already, then I am cancelling it. You do it full 100%, then close it. Okay. Now sixth one is disk cleanup. For disk cleanup, type here on the run button disk cleanup. Click here. Click OK. The disk will clean temporary files and all from it. Clean up my system files. Whatever you want, you just click over there. It will clean all the things. We have already cleaned the recycle bin, so no need to click on this. And whatever temporary files, click on this. Click OK. So it is cleaning now. You see. So it is clean. It is asking again. It's okay now. I'm cancelling. It's done now. Now last thing is ms config. This is very important things. Right click on it, type on run, type here ms config, press enter. See, this is a startup. Click on startup, open task manager. Startup is on your task manager. See, it is what is showing here. This process is running behind your computer, so you have to disable all the things whatever you don't want. First thing is disable this. See, process, disable torrent, any program, disable all the things whatever you don't want. This is antivirus. I am not going to disable this. Click on this, disable this also. Okay, so disabling all these things, your computer starts very fast and run properly. So I'm closing now this. And in services also, click on services, click on hide all the Microsoft services. See, look carefully what I am doing, otherwise your computer will be damaged. See carefully, click on hide all the Microsoft services, click on disable all, click apply, click OK. It is done now. Sometimes it will ask for restart your computers. You can restart your computers. So please like and subscribe to my channels. Thanks for watching.